Hello, I welcome you all. Now, in this lecture, we'll study slip form work or slip form technique. Now, slip form technique is the best technique which is carried out for fast and rapid construction in an unusual structure like cooling towers, chimneys, silos, and also in roadway construction, bridge construction. Slip formwork techniques are carried out for structure heights more than 16 meter and in these very rapid and time saving erection techniques and also economical. Slip form technique considers mainly 7.2 meter per day, which is fastest erection procedure. They contain various components and after the completion of curtain height, concreting by the hydraulic jack is lifted up and further concreting could be done. Now here the slip form technique used for cooling towers and chimneys are nothing but vertical slip form technique, and slip form technique used for roadway construction or bridge construction is nothing but horizontal slip form technique. Hence, these methods are rapid, time saving, economical and less labor is required. Now in this figure you can see the slip form technique. Now in upcoming video or animated video you will see what actually slip form technique is. Let's see. Next, features of slip form construction. The slip form construction technique is a rapid and economic construction method as compared to the conventional formwork technique. This helps to achieve huge cost saving. The technique is best suitable for large building structures and bridges. When small structures are concerned, the project with identical geometry can be easily completed by the slip form construction. The projects with identical geometry means repetitive buildings of same size and shape. Continuous movement of formwork in upward direction is performed in the slip form technique. The movement is facilitated by hydraulic jacks and the jack rods. In the construction of vertical structures, the rate of rising the formwork upwards will be almost in the rate of 300 mm per hour. This rises with the help of supports from other permanent parts of the building. Now for this type of construction, mostly rapid hardening cement is used. Now applications of slip form technique. Construction of regular core high-rise structure. The slip form construction technique to be used in high-rise building construction will be performed by vertically extruding the reinforced concrete section. Regular shaped core structures and buildings are easily constructed by this method. Now in this picture you can see these two towers of identical shapes are being constructed using slip form technique. Same here, these all 3 to 4 identical towers are being constructed using the slip form technique. Next, slip form technique for chimney construction. The slip form technique used for the construction of large chimneys, cooling towers and piers are also called as tapered slip forms. This technique is used for constructing vertical structures with varying wall thickness or shapes or diameter. Now here you can see the chimney structure whose thickness or shape accordingly throughout its side goes on changing. Third, construction of steel tanks. Slip form construction technique helps to construct the large volume systems in industries and factories in a cost effective way. Construction of water towers. The slip form technique helps to construct the walls of water tanks uniformly with better quality. Tanks of thousands of liters are easily constructed by this. In this picture, you can see the structural components of slip form technique. This is the formwork. These are the anchorages provided for the formwork. This is the bracket system. This is the hydraulic device which is useful for lifting up all the setup of slip form technique when the concrete gets hardened, and this is nothing but the climbing profile against which the entire slip form system or shuttering system slides upwards. Thank you.